Chinese words repeat for English learners. Beginner words. Today's summary.
烹饪、烹调烹饪法、烹调法要素、因素、成分要源容量、储存量用法。
Chinese words repeat 3 times. English words repeat 1 times. Description, English. Language shadowing start.
烹饪、烹调。烹饪、烹调。烹饪、烹调。
An act of making food.
烹饪法、烹调法。烹饪法、烹调法。烹饪法、烹调法。
A method of making food.
要素、因素、成分。要素、因素、成分。要素、因素、成分。
An important element or condition necessary for achieving something.
要源。要源。要源。
The manpower necessary for doing something.
容量、储存量。容量、储存量。容量、储存量。
An amount that can be contained in a certain space.
用法。用法。用法。
A certain way of using something.
宇宙。宇宙。宇宙。
An endless space that includes infinite time, and all the things in the world.
邮递、邮寄。邮递、邮寄。邮递、邮寄。
The system of sending or receiving letters, packages, etc.
运动。运动。运动。
The act of moving one's body in order to train it or improve one's health.
运动量。运动量。运动量。
The amount of energy exerted during a physical exercise.
命运、宿命。命运、宿命。命运、宿命。
A superhuman and inevitable force that affects humans and all the things in the world, or the life, or state, predetermined by the force.
运行。运行。运行。
A car or train, etc. running along a preset route.
移动、运行、行动。移动、运行、行动。移动、运行、行动。
A change in a posture, position, etc.
成本。成本。成本。
The price equal to the addition of all the expenses incurred from the point of the manufacturing of a product to that of selling it.
原动力，动力。原动力，动力。原动力，动力。
The basic force that makes a person or thing move.
原理。原理。原理。
The logic that is the essence or base of an object.
出版原版。出版原版。出版原版。
The book that was published first among many editions.
原产地。 原产地，原产地，
A place where a certain object is produced.
鲜艳的，鲜艳的，鲜艳的，
Being of a strong color.
原始原生，原始原生，原始原生，
The first time when something begins.
原型原装原貌，原型原装原貌，原型原装原貌，
The first shape or form of something.
圆满和谐，圆满和谐，圆满和谐，
The quality of being amicable without being fussy.
月刊，月刊，月刊，
The act of publishing a book, etc. once a month.
月租，月租，月租，
The act of renting a house or room on a monthly basis. Money spent on renting a house or room on a monthly basis.
卫星，卫星，卫星，
The celestial bodies of the universe revolving around planets.
上下，上下，上下，
A compound noun meaning up and down.
萎缩枯萎，萎缩枯萎，萎缩枯萎，
The state in which something contracts or gets smaller in volume, as it dries or wilts.
位置位于，位置位于，位置位于，
The state of having taken up space in a place. Such space.
常备，常备，常备，
A person who is older or higher than oneself in a family.
宣明，宣明，宣明，
A person who has the right to vote.
诱导引导，诱导引导，诱导引导，
The act of leading someone or something in a direction or to a place that one wants.
流淌，流淌，流淌，
The flow of liquid or an electric current, etc.
一物一村一季，一物一村一季，一物一村一季，
Things left by people who lived in former ages.
遗产，遗产，遗产，
The property left behind after one's death.
全是势力，全是势力，全是势力，
A power such as a strength, property, etc. which is so great that one shows it off.
遗言，遗言，遗言，
An act of leaving a word at one's deathbed, or such a remark.
流入，流入，流入，
The flowing of liquid, gas, heat, etc. into a place.
遗传， 遗传，遗传，
The state of taking over something from preceding generations or giving it to the next generation.
流出、排放，流出、排放，流出、排放，
The state of something contained or stored in one place flowing out or making this happen.
流通，流通，流通，
The free flow of air, etc.
流行，流行，流行，
The state of an epidemic being widely spread.
诱惑、引诱，诱惑、引诱，诱惑、引诱，
An act of luring someone to like another person or to do something wrong.
路上，路上，路上，
On land.
吃肉，吃肉，吃肉，吃肉，吃肉，吃肉，
An act of a person eating meat as food, or such a meal.
目的，目的，目的，
The part of the earth consisting of soil, rocks, stones, etc. not water.
律动，律动，律动，
A movement that repeats by a certain rule.
融通性，融通性，融通性，
The characteristics of being able to lend or borrow money, goods, etc.
银行，银行，银行，
An institute that keeps and manages the money people have deposited and lends it to those who need it.
分会，分会，分会，
The help given with pleasure by nature, or a person.
应用水，应用水，应用水，
Water that one can drink.